My country people, true love dey exist oh, don't get it twisted. I see purple Speedy of yesterday. See my girl just dey glow. See, you get as you go dey with the right person, you go just dey add for the right places. See as these two people just dey glow. This video too sweet, abeg. This is the best video you see online this week. As I watch am, I say no, my headquarter people need to see this cause it's giving what it's supposed to give. Hello, I just love these two. Even the 8 comment, everything, they are still stick together. Indeed, true love exists though. So if people they tell you say there is no true love, no mind them oh, true love they exist, and you woman go find your own right man when the time comes. I'm so happy for them. Happy 2 years anniversary to Purple Speedy and Crispdal. I pray that God Almighty continue to see you guys together. Una children go cute, sha.